la kwabethela khona uJesu la ngikhona uJesu wena bathi wafela izono zabantu bonke la ngikhona ngisendaweni yesibusiso ngizocelela zonke izizwe nezizwe impilo ngizocela ukuthi nonke osingibusise especially South Africa special kwaZulu nenhlaka zonke amaXhosa amaPedi ama-Afrika onke nabeSuthu ngisho-ke namampondo uqobo ngizobacela i-blessing ngokuthi size sonke samazulu sazi nama-South African bese kubani sibe nokubumbana kungabi ubikho umpofu ngizocela ukuthi-ke ngisithole isibusiso namandla ila ubethela khona isiphambano sakhe la khona kodwa the man explain for the people from South Africa about this place, please.
Okay, we are in the Church of the Holy Sepulchre in Jerusalem, in the elevated part that was, once upon a time, 2,000 years ago, was the hill of Golgotha. Golgotha in Greek means hals, the skull, because the hill was made of white rock and looked like a skull, and that was exactly the description of the place of the crucifixion in the Gospel. So we are on what is left of the Golgotha hill where Jesus was crucified. To be precise, according to tradition, you can see under the altar, under this altar there is a man that is praying, because under the altar there is a hole in the rock, and that's the hole where the cross of Jesus was put. So we are in front of the place of the crucifixion and death of Jesus.
Thanks a lot. Nibusisiwe eSouth Africa, nibusisiwe kwaZulu ukuthi ingane yenu eyimina izogcoba kule ndawo. Leso sokuyisibusiso esikhulu ngoba akukhona ukuhlakanipha kwami kungowaNkulunkulu nabantu abadala kanye namakhosana lesibusisa ngasithola kumdlokombane kubhejana kumsiqiwini ngasithola nakoshempe ngasithola ngishekhaya ngokuhlonipha isinye sentombi engizalayo yakoButhilizi futhi sabusiswa ngibonga kakhulu ukuthi ngazange ngize ngikhiphe yangigcina namhlanje ngikule ndawo okuzosiza endaweni engazi ngangikuthi ngiyofika kuyona ngicela ukuthi-ke uNkulunkulu angibusisele mina nonke ngoba sengikule ndawo nje akuyona indawo lena yokudlala iyona ndawo eserious kulo mhlaba senze sibancane besifunda iBhayibheli ngayo lo ndawo la kwabethelwa khona uJesu ngizocela onke amaNazaretha namasabatha onke ngifikile lana ngafika ngamukelwa ngazandla ezimhlophe bengizokhulekela ukuphilisa